Confused by waxing terms like Brazilian, Hollywood, or landing strip? Many people walk into a salon and feel embarrassed because they don't know what these words actually mean. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn the exact meaning and pronunciation of the most common Brazilian waxing styles. So the next time you book an appointment, you'll know exactly what to ask for, with confidence. Let's start with the most popular term, Brazilian wax. A Brazilian wax removes most or all hair from the pubic area using warm wax. Hair can be removed from the front, the sides, and even the back area. Some people leave a small strip or shape, while others prefer complete hair removal. This waxing style became famous in beauty salons worldwide because it leaves the skin smooth and clean for weeks. A bikini wax is different from a Brazilian wax. This style only removes hair that would be visible outside a bikini line. Hair in the center area is usually left natural. It's a popular option for people who want a clean look without removing everything. A full Brazilian wax means complete hair removal. Hair is removed from the front, labia area, and the butt strip. Nothing is left behind. This style gives the smoothest possible result. One of the most requested styles is the landing strip. In this style, most hair is removed, but a thin vertical strip remains in the center. The strip is trimmed neatly and evenly. Many people choose this look because it keeps a small amount of hair while still looking clean and styled. A Hollywood wax is the most complete style. It removes every single hair from the entire pubic region. That includes the front and the back area. The result is completely smooth skin. A French wax removes most hair from the front and sides but leaves a small strip in the middle. However, unlike a Brazilian wax, it usually does not remove hair from the back area. This makes it a lighter version of a Brazilian wax. When booking a waxing appointment, simply say the style clearly. For example, "I'd like a Brazilian with a landing strip," or "I'd like a full Brazilian, completely smooth." Professional estheticians hear these requests every day, so there's no need to feel awkward. Now you know the most common Brazilian waxing terms and styles. Understanding these terms helps you walk into any salon with total confidence. For more beauty and health education, subscribe for the next video.